We're going back outside today. We're getting on that grill. Let's get it. So yes, finally made it back outside. I've been gone for a minute. Stuff been hectic around the crib, but we back out here. We're gonna get it cracking today. I got a couple slabs of ribs. I got a couple London broils. What else I got? Oh, I got some bratwurst we're gonna slap on here. Let's see what else I got in here. Oh yeah, I got some little lamb chops too. It's going down today. Let's get it cracking. We're gonna slow roll it. Once some coals calm down, we'll bring them over. I'm gonna drop them in here. Then I'm gonna add my wood splits on top of it. And we're just gonna slow roll. Fill this whole side up with all our different meats. So this is how we're gonna do it. I got my charcoal in there. I got my one wood split. It's nice and sized, so it's gonna last a while. Now I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna prep all my meat so I can get it out here. So I got all my meat ready to go out there. But first, I got these 2 steaks. I'm gonna boil the crap out of these 2 steaks. It's gonna be for my green beans and potatoes. I'm gonna season them up and boil the crap out of them before I add my beans and potatoes. So I'm gonna season these steaks. What I did, I put in the chicken bouillon, slap your mama, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. That's what I got in there. Now I'm gonna take the hottest water I can get out of my faucet and I'm gonna boil the crap out of these steaks. They're gonna fall apart all throughout my green beans. That's how it's going down. I'm just lining it up. So I got them chicken shish kebabs. I already did the sprinkle city on them with the slap your mama, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. Then I got them 4 lamb steaks. I'm gonna do them. Got these 2 London broils. And then I got my 2 slabs, but I still gotta do sprinkle city on them. Do it straight on the grill. I got my cooking spray out here. Make sure my seasoning stick. We good to go. I sprinkled everything. You can see the seasonings on there. It's sprinkle city. That make it so easy. You know what I'm saying? And then I hit it. My cooking spray. Make sure all my seasonings stick. We good to go. We're gonna close this lid. We got that big log in there. Might add another one, but right now we real hot. So let's get it closed and get it cracking. Before I go in the house, I want to see how's our log doing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we good. Now my steak for the green beans is rocking. Just gotta keep an eye on it. You gotta make sure that all that water don't evaporate. That you just boil the crap out of them steaks. That way you can tear it up real easily through all your green beans and potatoes. And you'll have meat in pretty much every bite. Let's see what we got. Looking good in here. We ain't mad at it. Now I want to get down in here and I want to take a look at my fire. It's looking good, but I want it to be hotter, so I'm about to add another wood split in here. Get that going. So I found a wood split that ain't quite as big as the one I started it with. Drop it right in here. Let it catch on its own, however it, you know what I'm saying? And keep the heat going in here. Get that wood smoke flavor up in the food. It's all good. Got my potatoes all skinned. I'm gonna chop them up and get them in here. And then I'm gonna add my canned green beans and let that rock. I'm gonna turn that fire way down. It's gonna simmer and suck up all that flavor. So I go back outside real quick. Do a little flip on everything. I reposition everything. Make sure we're getting that good heat towards everything. It's looking wonderful up in here. We good. So I'm gonna be master at using what I got. So I got my barbecue sauce, Italian dressing, the W sauce, soy sauce, and I got some liquid smoke. So I don't got the teriyaki, so I don't got that triple blend, but that liquid smoke goes crazy. So that's how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it right now, get it ready, so that way when my ribs are ready to be sauced, my sauce will be ready to go. So this is how I do that. Go in with this whole bottle. In with the whole bottle of this barbecue sauce. I'm gonna take this Italian dressing. And I'm gonna fill my barbecue sauce bottle. Maybe about halfway. And I'm gonna take the barbecue sauce cap. Get the rest of that barbecue sauce out. And I got my W sauce. Just like that. My soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good enough. And my liquid smoke. Work just like that. Good to go. Get my whisk, or I could actually take a fork and I'm gonna like I said before, when people ask you, do you make your own sauce? You gonna say, yep. So we got a fresh wood split in there that's already caught, and we had 250. So what I did, I dropped another one in there. But we wanna get hotter, so we're gonna crank it up. And if you thought I forgot about my brats, I did not. They in the game now. Bratwursts are in the game. So now you're just gonna take your tongs and you're gonna grab them 2 steaks that we put in there earlier and just cut them up with your kitchen shears. So we smoked these ribs for 4.5 hours. Got them all chopped up now. That's 2 slabs. Now I'm about to shake them up in some sauce. Make these macaroni shells and make some plates. Got these green beans, they looking good with that steak all throughout them. It's going down. Let's make these plates and get this moving so we can eat. So a lot of times I definitely do sauce my meat on the grill, but this time I'm gonna shake them up in my sauce. They'll be a saucier rib than if you sauce them up on the grill and let them cook for a while. But this is the style that I'm rolling with today. You know, ain't no rules out here when it comes to cooking. It's all preference. You do it how you want to do it. That's what you're gonna get when you all done. Two different variations of how it can go now. You got that lamb chop, that London broil, smoked, ribs, bratwurst. It goes down, steak all through them green beans. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all y'all. Until we meet again, peace.